Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to enable transparent header in WordPress website. So first of all, let me go here and log in into website. Click here login button, and here you can see I'm using Astra WordPress theme, this one. So after that, now let me go back on the front side and then click here edit page, this one, then scroll down, and after that here you can see this one disabled. Simply you can click here enable. After that click on update button, then again now we can visit this website. Here you can see transparent header is enabled. So if you don't see this type of functions here, then you need to go in plugins. Here you can see I have installed this plugin Classic Editor. Here you can search for this plugin Classic Editor, then you can install any of these, this one and this one.